Thank you very much.
Woo! God, good game on them again.
Yeah, you two up top. Hey,
Yeah, 2 times for your mind.
boom! I like that.
Wait, somebody took the lemonade out of my mini fridge again. Allison?
Fountain drink.
All right. You are in the clear, Miguel Ignacio Villa. Hannah? I gotta go.
Hey, nice shot. Except we weren't playing building blocks.
You always tell me when we're going to play right before we go on.
Who's this girl?
I know.
I'm in the hamster wheel.
It's all safe.
Hey-o! I like this one, though. Give me one of those.
Yeah.
That was good.
Hey, listen, if either of you guys need me, I'll be in the Space Blaster simulator room, so just come find me later, alright?
Done.
Hey, why is nobody fucking wearing the shirts?
Well, yeah. That's a good. I'm gonna go to the shirt making room. I'm gonna make some shirts.
We have shirts.
Oh, hey! I need to go.
Computer?
Yes.
I was wondering if the character factory was up and running after the last clog up.
Maybe next time you shouldn't try and have too many people there, James. We know what you're doing there.
I know what you're talking about, computer.
Okay.
We haven't
Well,
installed
try it.
cameras yet.
I'm scared. You can go back into the character simulation room. It's all speak and span fixed up for you.
Cool.
Row, row, row your boat, gently down. This is a beautiful river we put in here.
Oh, Rashad!
Oh, Jedediah! Nice to see you out and about.
Hold on, turn it around. There we go.
All right. How's the wife and kids?
Not too
Oh,
good.
hold on. Let me turn around.
What was that? I was just gonna say they were eaten by a crocodile. That's all.
I'm so sorry. The compound just has those all over the place.
No, yeah, you guys really need to get your wild animals under control. I know you guys are the Dead Parrots and everything, but your compound has some rules. You need to understand that.
Whoa, let's not get snippy, okay?
Let's not kill my family. You're rocking the boat! You're rocking the boat!
You know what? I'm gonna figure it out, okay? Don't worry about me. Worry about you letting me solve your problems.
Great. Sounds great.
Awesome! Cool! You guys come to the barbecue though later?
Only if there's no crocodiles.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you there.
Alright, bye!
Meanwhile, in the Space Blaster simulation room.
Incoming meteorite from the right! Incoming meteor from the left, it's behind you! It's right on your tail! Excellent work!
Space Blaster Command, was that a successful mission or what?
That was remarkably successful, Space Cadet. Unfortunately, you don't have enough fuel. You're gonna have to land on the planet, and we'll come for you when we can.
Oh, fair enough. Thank you, Space Command.
Indeed. Salute!
Oh.
Cut to the hamster wheel.
There's your water.
Just follow behind me.
Okay.
In the serpent wheel.
Oh.
Everybody, rock your body. Yeah, everybody. Back streets back. Hey, James.
Hey, man, what's up?
I just want to let you guys know you guys have to go a little bit faster to power all the electronic equipment I got.
What did you get?
A lot of new stuff. You guys are going to be pretty psyched about the character room, okay?
Hey,
It helps us a lot.
did you get a muffin maker?
Yeah.
Because I put a muffin maker on the list.
Yeah, I
I was
got
gonna make blueberry muffins before the next show.
I got a mini muffin maker.
Stephen!
What?
Stephen!
I didn't think there was a big discrepancy between...
Wait. Carmen, help me with this bubble! Did I ask you?
You got an automatic muffin maker? What happened to you liking my muffins that I make for you?
First off, it's an automatic mini.
Tastes a bit like servant hands, to be honest. Being honest. I'm not going to high-five yours.
Hey guys, sorry to bother you, but you're being kind of loud and I'm trying to kill animals over here.